Okay guys, welcome back to the series. I was telling you the lists in the previous video. Now in the next video I will tell you image, right? I think image, correct? So image tag. I will tell you how to go into the image tag and how to upload images on your pages, right? So suppose you have this browser and you want to display any image over here, correct? So suppose I have written this img tag, press tab, and automatically the whole tag comes here, right? So in the source you have to write the name of the
Hello
image.
guys, so
I have image
in this
called
series of the
football
video I will tell you
dot
HTML and
jpg.
CSS
You have to
basics.
write the
My
extension
main
of that
motive
image
is to
also,
just tell you
whether it is in the jpg
how
format
to
or
make
png format,
websites
whatever the
as soon
format
as
is there.
possible.
You have to
Right
write.
from the few
Okay.
videos
Press
you will
Ctrl
start
S
learning
for
how to make
saving this
websites.
page.
No more too much
Now
theory, no
I
more
am
too
going
much
to my browser
concepts.
and
Just
press
basic
Ctrl
things,
R to reload
and
it.
from
And
right
you can
there
see
watching videos
this
you will
whole image
start
comes
learning
here.
how to make
This is
websites.
very
That's my
big
main
image,
agenda. I
right?
will
You
not
can
teach you
see
the
I have to
concepts and
scroll left
concepts
and
and
right all
concepts.
those
You will
things.
get bored after
So
learning so much
first
concepts.
thing is
So
first,
I will not go
how
take
to
take
appear
this
your
in
image
the
over here.
manner that you
So
will
now
get
images
bored,
appears. Okay,
right? So I will
image
tell you
appears over
basics
here,
first, a few of the basics, so that you can get the
correct? So this
feel
is
of
your
how
image.
you can use those
Now
concepts to make a
it's too
website.
big,
So
correct?
in the beginning we'll get the
It's too
taste of
big.
it,
I will
and
give
sooner after you get taste of it
width
you will come to know that whether you like it or not.
width
And if you like it,
width
you can
equals
continue
to
this series watching more concept
400
in depth,
pixel.
so you can make better and better
Width
web
equals to
pages.
400 pixels. So
Hope you like
400
this
means
series.
400 pixel.
Thank you.
HEIGST
Keep
height
watching.
equals to
Have a nice day.
400 means 400 pixel is the height. Now reload this page and the height comes like this. I want to increase the width of this to 600, right? So width increases. So this is your football image. The height and width is increased and decreased accordingly. Now suppose, so it's important to know where your image is stored, the path of the image. So I told you the this file is saved as html-3-basics.html in my folder. So I am going to that folder. Here it is saved html-3-basics. So where is my HTML file? Is inside this root folder, HTML files. You can see here. Image is also saved here, and html-3-basics is also saved here. Correct? So I don't need to give anything in my source. I had directly written the name of this image called football, and you can see in the property its extension is jpg. Okay, so in my code I have directly written the name of the image football.jpg, correct? Because the HTML file and the image is inside in the same folder. Suppose I am making new folder here called im images and moving my image inside this folder. Now your HTML file and image is not in the same folder, correct? Your HTML file is in this folder, HTML files, and image is inside the images folder. So now if I give a reload to my page, the image will not appear here, correct? You can see no image is appearing because the path, the source of this football is not correct. So what is the path? You have to go in this direction. Suppose your HTML file is here, you have to see inside which folder your image is. Your image is inside this images folder, correct? So write the path images /. Now you will come here and reload your page. This is reloaded, correct? Suppose I make another folder inside this called images2 and move my file here. So from this HTML file, how your page is reaching that image? First, your process is going to inside the images, then going inside images2, and then football, correct? So here you have to write images, then images2 / then football. Then you can see your images appearing over here, correct? So if I remove this image, your image will not appear. Getting it? Images2, correct? / reload your file. Okay, so you have to give the correct path of your images. If any of your images is not appearing here, you need to check the path of your image. Secondly, if your image is not appearing here, suppose I give here PNG instead of JPG and I don't have any PNG file over there, will my image appear here? No. Correct extension is also need to be given. JPG, correct extension, the image appears over here. Okay, that's it for this video. Okay, not that's it. I am going to give one more attribute over here, that is called alt. Alt equals to, this is football image. Okay, I have given alt here over there, but what is the use of this alt attribute? The use of alt attribute is, suppose your image is not found, means I have given the wrong extension, that means there is no image in the PNG format. So I reload this page. What will appear over here? Instead of that image, the text comes here. This is football image, correct? If I remove this alt tag, what happens? The box comes but nothing is displayed. So to let the user know what is it, we give alt tag. So the user will come to know here is some image of football, but it is not appearing. You can also write, this is football image which is not found in the server. Okay, so this text will come if image doesn't found. That's it for this video. Hope you like this. Keep watching the series. Bye bye.